Short-term memory decline is one of the most noticeable and concerning indicators of early cognitive aging. You may find yourself forgetting recent conversations, misplacing items, missing instructions, or struggling to recall small tasks that were once automatic. While occasional forgetfulness is common, persistent or accelerating short-term memory lapses can indicate subtle changes in hippocampal function, neural connectivity, and the brain's capacity to encode and retrieve new information. These early warning signs are not a cause for alarm, but they serve as a critical signal to implement targeted strategies that preserve memory, strengthen neural networks, and support overall cognitive resilience. Warning signs of short-term memory decline include repeatedly asking the same questions, forgetting the content of conversations shortly after they occur, misplacing objects, or failing to recall instructions or details from meetings, tasks, or daily routines. You may notice that you need to write everything down to remember it, that you forget appointments even with reminders, or that you have difficulty remembering names, numbers, or directions. These subtle memory gaps can affect confidence, reduce efficiency in daily life, and sometimes create social stress or frustration. Recognizing these early changes allows for proactive interventions that can slow decline and even enhance memory function. Daily cognitive exercises specifically targeting memory are highly effective in strengthening short-term memory. Digital platforms such as BrainHQ, CogniFit, and Lumosity provide structured tasks designed to challenge working memory, recall, and sequence retention. Exercises may include remembering sequences of numbers or patterns, matching paired items, or performing tasks that require active updating and retrieval of information under time pressure. Consistent practice, 20 to 30 minutes per day, 3 to 5 times per week, stimulates neuroplasticity, reinforces hippocampal circuits, and enhances the brain's ability to retain and retrieve recent information. Gradually increasing the difficulty of these exercises ensures ongoing adaptation and growth in memory capacity. Nutrition plays a key role in supporting short-term memory and protecting neurons from age-related damage. Vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant found in almonds, sunflower seeds, avocados, and other nuts and seeds, helps prevent oxidative stress, which can impair neuronal membranes and synaptic function. Omega-3 fatty acids from fatty fish, chia seeds, flax seeds, and walnuts further support synaptic plasticity and neuronal communication, enhancing memory encoding and recall. Polyphenol-rich foods, such as berries, dark chocolate, grapes, and leafy greens, protect neurons from oxidative damage while supporting vascular health, which is essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients to memory-related brain regions. Maintaining adequate hydration and a balanced diet with complex carbohydrates and protein ensures stable energy supply for optimal cognitive performance. Physical exercise enhances short-term memory by promoting cerebral blood flow, neurogenesis in the hippocampus, and the release of neurotrophic factors like BDNF, which strengthens synaptic connections. Even moderate daily aerobic activities such as brisk walking, cycling, or swimming for 20 to 30 minutes have been shown to improve memory performance. Integrating cognitive challenges with physical activity, such as practicing memory games, language flashcards, or mental calculations while walking, creates dual-task stimulation, further enhancing neural networks involved in attention, memory, and processing speed. Sleep is essential for memory consolidation, particularly for short-term and working memory. During deep and REM sleep, the brain consolidates newly acquired information, strengthens synaptic connections, and clears metabolic waste that can interfere with neural efficiency. Adults should prioritize 7 to 9 hours of high-quality sleep each night, maintain consistent sleep schedules, and practice pre-sleep routines that promote restorative rest. Poor or fragmented sleep can significantly impair short-term memory, reduce attention, and slow information processing. Stress management also supports memory function. Chronic stress elevates cortisol, which can negatively affect the hippocampus and prefrontal cortex, both critical for short-term memory and learning. Mindfulness practices, meditation, yoga, deep breathing exercises, or short restorative breaks throughout the day help mitigate stress, allowing the brain to allocate resources more effectively to memory encoding and recall. Social engagement and intellectually stimulating activities, such as discussions, problem-solving tasks, and collaborative projects, provide natural memory challenges that reinforce neural circuits in practical, real-world contexts. Practical daily strategies to support short-term memory include using repetition, visualization, or chunking methods to encode information, writing brief notes or digital reminders, and reviewing key details shortly after learning them. Multisensory approaches, such as reading aloud, writing by hand, or teaching information to others, strengthen encoding and retention. Establishing routines, organizing tasks systematically, and setting clear priorities reduce cognitive load and create mental scaffolding that enhances memory efficiency. Regularly challenging yourself to learn small new skills or recall information without aids also exercises memory networks and improves neural resilience over time. The positive aspect of short-term memory decline is that it is highly trainable and responsive to a combination of cognitive exercises, nutrition, physical activity, sleep optimization, stress management, and practical daily routines. Early recognition of forgetfulness allows individuals to implement targeted interventions that strengthen hippocampal function, improve attentional control, and enhance the ability to retain and recall information efficiently. With consistent, integrated effort, short-term memory can be maintained and even improved, allowing you to navigate daily life with confidence, clarity, and mental agility well into later adulthood.